Hi everyone, welcome to WR Infotech. So today I'm going to fix camera on ceiling. So in our new video, I will show you how to fix camera on ceiling. So as you can see, the cable already pulled. So we just need to fix the camera. So and especially when you're fixing the camera, it's better to fix in any of one of the corner. So while you are fixing on the corner, it can cover more area. So the camera view will be more wide. So that's why we are fixing on the corner. And it's better to fix also the opposite direction of the door, because if somebody coming in can see the face, it's always better to fix in the opposite of the door. So here I'm going to fix on the ceiling. So I'm using this is butterfly fisher. So it's better to use for gypsum. So because the gypsum is soft, so if you do directly the screw, it can be loose. So the camera will shake. So it's better to use a butterfly fisher. So butterfly fisher will hold the camera tight, and it will fit strongly. So this cable I need to make connector that with RJ45 connector. Then you will connect with the camera. So here I am using a dome camera. It's a Hikvision dome 4 megapixel dome camera. So usually dome camera is for indoor purpose. So outdoor we use bullet camera. So this is the camera connector which is coming. So the for the Cat6 cable I already fixed the RJ45 connector. Now I am fitting the cover for the cable connector. It's better to use indoor. It's not mandatory, but better to use that to protect the connector and camera. Especially these for the outside, it is mandatory to protect this connector from dust or water. So if you are using this, it can the camera side connector. If it is damaged, you cannot replace that one, and sometimes that parts is not available. So better if you use this cover, it can be protected. It will not damage immediately. So now already fit the cable, and the connector also be fitted. So I'm just pushing back the rest of the cable, the extra cables. So it will sit inside the ceiling, so it will not show outside. It will be look good when you're fixing in the camera. So only the camera part will be outside. So I'm fixing with screw. The screw size I'm using, it's actually 1.5 inch screw. Because you should use a long screw when you are fixing on butterfly fisher. Then only it will hold from the back side. You should use the long. If you use a small half inch or 1 inch, this one butterfly fisher will not hold properly, because the part it should touch from the inside, then it will make it tight. So here and just be careful that the lens of the camera, because if it is scratch on lens, the image will be damaged, and the camera view will not be good. So you should careful that don't touch on the lens part. And also after fixing, just clean that cover glass, everything, just clean it, because there will be dust, so the image view will not be clear. So now I am closing with cover. As you can see, the camera already fixed, and it is well fitted, and we fix the camera on the corner side because the door is coming opposite. So I'm fixing, it's better to fix either this side or on the right side or left side, because the door is coming on the other opposite side. When whoever coming from the outside from door, we can see the face easily. And also when you're fixing on the corner side, it can cover more area, so you will get wide view. So, and also if you can fix on other side also, the other corner on that same door side, you can fix also. It depends the scenario, depends the situation there, but it's better to fix opposite the door. So we already done, and we already fixed almost 10 camera in this site. If you have any doubt, yes, you can ask me on comment. And also please do subscribe, like, comment. Okay, please support me. I will be uploading. I'm uploading this actually for who want to learn something new. So that's why I'm sharing whatever knowledge I have. I'm sharing. And if you have any doubt related to IT or ELV system, like server, networking, computer, and hardware support, and also PABX, attendance system, biometric system, and intercom system. So this related any doubts, you can ask me. And also in UAE we are doing all of these services, and you can, if you need any support, or if you are for your office or home, if you need any support, you can just message me, you can contact me also. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, don't forget to subscribe.